First of all, visitor will scan the QR code and it will open the WhatsApp chat screen where the visitor will message you with preset message. After they have messaged you, as you can see through the screen, the WhatsApp chatbot will ask for visitor's name and email ID. And then it will automatically forward the catalog or other media like company video and product images of your business to the client. After the catalog has been shared, as you can see through the screen, an automated follow-up is sent after 24 hours to regain their attention. After the 24-hour follow-up, if you still want to re-engage the visitor, the WhatsApp chatbot will send a second follow-up message after 7 days. The intervals between follow-ups can be adjusted to suit your needs. All the above steps are customizable as per your needs.